The Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham has established a groundbreaking foundation program for students interested in joining degree programs. The foundation program is meant to facilitate the transition from plus 2 to engineering stream as seamless as possible. Given that no physical courses have been held for plus 2 students since February 2020, this curriculum's purpose is to give engineering students a solid foundation in key scientific and technology ideas, while also connecting them to future technology and real-world applications.
This foundation program is aimed at educating the future engineering aspirants. We all know that technology is evolving like anything, and we have seen the massive use of artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, machine learning, robotics and automation in the past 1 or 2 years. So what has happened now is the pandemic has pushed it, or whatever was expected to happen in the next 10 years, it is happening now. So it is really important that all the future engineering aspirants or the future engineers who are again expected to be the problem solvers, you have to understand how the science and technology both are related.
Our program aims to educate students and parents who are unfamiliar with science subjects other than computer science, and to assist them in choosing the best career path. Teaching young engineers about all of the issues is crucial. Young engineers must be educated about all of the possibilities and job opportunities that may arise as technology improves. This will not only assist students in determining which career path is best for them, but it will also aid in the development of a robust pipeline of future engineers who are bright and passionate about cutting-edge technology.
It will give you a very good idea, a very good picture on what you will learn in the next 4 years' time and what you want to be in the future. So do not miss. It is a 15-hour program. Per day, it is just 1 hour, and that will craft your future. So my dear students, we know that the past whole year, you are not able to learn properly. You are not able to study properly. So this is the time, and we will teach you how science is related with engineering and technology, how the topics are related with the real-time applications, and you will be able to learn a lot from this session.
The course involves a total of 15 hourly sessions in mathematics, physics and computational thinking by the experts at Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham.